Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is statistics. So from that today I am going to explain about mode. Mode is the value of the observation. Mode is the value of the observation which occurs most frequently. That is, an observation with the maximum frequency is called mode. For example, mode of 3, 3, 6, 9, 3, 2. Here, what are the observations? 3 and 6 and 9 and 3 and 2. Here, if you draw the frequency table, 3 repeated 3 times, 6 repeated 1 time, 9 repeated 1 time, 2 repeated 1 time. So what is the highest frequency here? Highest frequency of the 3. 3 is 3. So in this case, mode is equal to 3. So what is the meaning of mode? Mode is the value of the observation which occurs most frequently. Here 3 is repeated more than the remaining observations. So 3 is called the mode of this data. If a data have only one mode, that is called unimodal. Here this data have only one mode. So this is example to unimodal. Sometimes data maybe have two modes. That is called a bimodal. For example, here one example there. What is the mode of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 7? If you compare with remaining observations, 2 and 3 repeated same times. So what is the mode here? Mode is equal to 2 and 3. So this is called a bimodal. Median of frequency distribution table. So find the median of following table. Wages in rupees. Wages means salary. 7,500. So to 7,500, 4 members are working. To 8,000 salary, 18 members are working. To 8,500 salary, 30 members. So you have to find the median of this table. Solution. See here. First, wages. Nothing but X. Here 7,500, 8,000, 8,500, 9,000, 9,500, 10,000 and 11,000. Next, implies nothing but frequency. 4, 18, 30, 20, 15, 8 and 5. To find the median, we have to find the cumulative frequency of the table. Cumulative frequency of the table. To find the cumulative frequency, just you do simple thing. Take the first frequency as it is. Then after add and go. 4 plus 18 is equal to 22. Then after 22 plus 30 is equal to 52. Then after 52 plus 20 is equal to 72. Then after 72 plus 5 is equal to 83. It is correct. Next, 87 plus 8 is equal to 95. 95 plus 5 is equal to 100. So sum of the frequency is equal to 100. Here what is the number of observations? N is equal to 100. 100 is a even number. If N is even number, what is the median? N by 2 or N by 2 plus 1 hectare. median is equal to n by 2 or n by 2 plus 1 is done. What is the value of n by 2? 58 and 51. What is the average? Now the n by 2 value you have to check in cumulative frequency. What is the n by 2? 50. So here 58 is not there. From the table, corresponding value of 58 and 51th observation is the same. So this is nothing but the median class. So the average of 51 and 52, maybe it shows wages 8,500. So this is nothing but median class. So whatever the median, 8,500 is a median of the table. See here, 9.2 exercise 7th problem. Centuries scored by number of letters are given below. Find the mean and median mode of this table. To find the median, here number of centuries, there is nothing but observations. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5 centuries, 56 members. Then 10, 23. So to find the mean, what I need here? I need Fi and Xi. To find the Fi and Xi, you have to multiply F value and also X value. It means 5 into 56 is equal to 280. Similarly, 10 into 23 is equal to 230. Then after 15 into 39 is equal to 585. 20 into 13 is equal to 260. 25 into 8 is equal to 200. Sigma Fi Xi means sum of all these frequencies. The sum of all Fi and Xi values. How much it is? 1,555. To find the mean, sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So it is nothing but 1,555 by 139. Maybe you get answer 11.18. What is the mean of this table? 11.18. Next, what I need here? I need median. X means number of centuries. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Next, frequency. 56, 23, 39, 13 and 8. To find the median, what I need here? I need cumulative frequency. To find what I said, first frequency may take as it is. How much? 56. Then after 56 plus 23. So to find the cumulative frequency, first you take as it is. Then after 56 plus 23. How much? 79. Then after 79 plus 39. How much that is? 118. Then after 118 plus 13. How much that is? 131. 131 plus 1, 139. So n is equal to 139. N is an odd number. What is the median? Median is equal to n by 2 plus 1. N plus 1 by 2. So 140 by 2 is equal to 70. Here 70 not there in cumulative frequency. What is the nearest value of 70? 79. So this shows median class. So what is the median here? Median of the table is equal to 10. Then after mode, what is the meaning of mode? Most occur value. So 5, 10 and 15 and 20 and 25. So the frequency of 5 is 56. The frequency of 10 is 23. Frequency of 15 is 39. So in this, what is the most repeated one? 5 is a most repeated one. So 5 is called a mode of the table. So find mean and median and mode of the following table. Population in thousands and villages. 12,000 population, 20 villages. 5,000 population in 15 villages. 30,000 population is 32 villages. 20,000 population in 35 villages. 15,000 population in 36 villages. And 8,000 population in 7 villages. You have to find the mean and median and mode of the table.